We're in Photokina 2018 at the Manfrotto booth, and we're talking to Giuseppe. Hello, Giuseppe.
Yeah. Hi, welcome.
And we're going to talk about the new video products that you have here on stand. So,
Yeah.
what's new?
Exactly. We have just released the new carbon fiber twin leg tripod, and it comes with a new carbon fiber legs with a new leg lock mechanism. And the great thing of the product is that we reached a 50% increase of torsion. So it's very rigid, it's very solid, and it comes in different video head like nitrotech N8, nitrotech N12 that we have just released in NIB of this year, and the leg Fabo 4. We have also the tripod itself as a separate code. Another important thing in terms of product usage is the new spreader that is very easy in terms of detach and attach, and also in terms of leg angle. It's very easy because on the mechanism that you can see here, it's very easy to enlarge and modify the leg angle of the tripod. So very easy to use.
Do you have prices for the product?
We start from 680, so we have a very interesting price for this product launch. So we have a special offer, let me say, of a 20% discount in this moment, in order to let people get acquainted with the product and be more familiar with the twin leg carbon fiber in the Manfrotto.
And when will they be available? Right now?
Right now, yes. We have just launched it, so it's available in our websites and on the video dealers.
Okay, thank you very much, Giuseppe.
Thank you.